Hey fan collectors, it's Hayden here with another video. Hang on, let me shut this door. It's Hayden here with another video. This is a video of the other Hampton Bay Farmington ceiling fan that's down in the living room in the beach house I'm staying in. It has the older Hampton Bay pole tank, so it must be an older Farmington. And it switches. This does that. And that. What the fuck it does. Excuse my language. And this is the fan. I'm going to start it up on low. This is low. Don't know what kind of motor this fan has. It's a decent motor. Just waiting for it to speed up. Yeah, this is low. It's got a nice low speed to it. Now we're gonna turn it on medium. It's got a slower medium, which I like, and it's moving some air. So yeah, it's moving some air on medium. Wait, we're gonna put it on high. Here's high. Blows a good amount of air. It blows some decent air. Yeah, I like it. It's a good air mover. Next time I'm gonna do the Glendale in there. It's a nice fan. It blows a good amount of air. I'm gonna shut it off. See you later, fan collectors. Bye.